today's lesson, you're going to need to print out the practice pages before the meet. You're going to click the Pearson link on the day's assignment page. If you do not have a printer, then you will have to do the practice pages on the Pearson site. Please check your homework. Press pause if you need more time. Today we're going to use an open number line to add two 3-digit add-ins. Before we even begin to explore this, let's do a review because we've already used an open number line to add 2-digit add-ins. So to review, when you add on an open number line, you're going to always start with the largest number. So we're going to start with 63, and then I'm going to break apart my number. I know this is my tens, and this is my ones. So I know I have to add 20 and 5. So 63 plus 20 equals 83. And 83 plus 5 equals 88. And everything on top should equal to the second add-in. So 63 plus 25 equals 88. Now let's look at two 3-digit add-ins. Same thing as we did with 2-digit add-ins, we're going to begin with the largest number. So I'm starting with 375. And now I'm looking at my second add-ins, and I'm going to break it apart in hundreds, tens, and ones. So I have 100. So now I'm going to add that 100 to my 375. So I'm just looking at my hundreds digits. 1 and 3 make 4. So now I have 475. Now I'm looking at my tens. It's only one jump. 475 plus 10, I'm looking at my tens. 7 plus 1 is 8. So now it's 485. And now I need to add the 8. On my 8, I'm going to break it apart into 5 and 3 because I want to make a number that has 0 at the end. So 485 plus 5 equals 490. Plus my 3 now. Equals 493. Once again, if I add this up, it should equal up to my second add-in. 100, 110, 115, 118. 375 plus 118 equals 493. Now let's look at 186 plus 352. I'm going to start with our largest number. On your paper, you start with your largest number, with the largest number. 352. Now I'm going to break apart this number. So we know that we have 100, 8 tens, and 6 ones. Try it by yourself. I'll join in a minute. So to 352, I need to add 100. 352 plus 100 is 452. Now I need to add 8 tens. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to add 5 tens. So I'm going to add 50. So now I no longer have 452, I have 502. Now I could add the 30 left. And now I have 532. And now to that, I could add the 6. 538. 150, 86. And that equals 538. Now you try to do 483 plus 236. Please put the computer on pause. Okay. 483 plus 236. Mhm. Okay. 486 plus 236 equals 719. So we started at 483. We added 200. We now have 683. We then had to add 30. I did it one at a time. 683, 693, 703. Then we needed to add the 6. Plus one more at 713. We needed to add the 6, and then we have 719. Please do independent practice page, all of page 593, and then on practice page 594, you will do 8, 10, and 11. Do all of page 593. And then 8, 10, and 11 of 594. Please put the computer on pause. Complete the independent practice pages. Once again, if you do not have the book, you will need to complete online or print out the math pages. Please check your work. Today, you watch the video. You could watch the Pearson video, Visual Learning, if you were having difficulty understanding how to use the number line. You can do today's challenge. You can do the quick check, enrichment, and there's also a fun game, Gobbling Globs, hundreds. Hope to see you at 10. Have a good time.